Okay, just to be extra clear, this is what I meant that you don't have to memorize. If you notice that looking at this triad shape on the lowest string set, right, it's the same pattern as when you go to string set 3, right? And then when you go to string set 2, it's also the same pattern. It's just that because there is a crossover between the G and B string, therefore you need to account for that and you need to add one fret to the to the note that's crossing that barrier, and that's why the 5 now moves up by one fret, and that's how you get this pattern. And then when you go to the higher string set, the 5 maintains in that same fret zone, in that same fret, but now the 3 is crossing, right? The third is crossing, and that's why you get this pattern. So there's no need to memorize. I just need to remember this pattern. I just need to remember this 3 pattern actually, uh, and then I just need to remember as I cross the G and B string to +1 or -1 fret depending on how I'm moving up or down. But I realized that's not the case. I realized that if I try to play a C, if this is what is this? I realized that if I try to play this C major chord, as I cross over, this is no longer C major chord anymore. Yeah, this is something else. And then when I cross again, it becomes another note. It becomes another note. What you want me to do is to realize that because when you told me that only two frets stays the same, only one fret change, I thought that this is what you meant. I thought that you meant that to retain the same chord, all you just need to do is just do that. But I realized that you have another meaning. Okay, your other meaning is that this is my first G major triad, right? And then to get the next G major triad is to retain these two, and then over here you see this is where the 5 has now jumped to. So and then as I move up to the next string set, I retain the root and the 5th, and then I need to find the third now. Where is the third now? The third now is over here. It has jumped to 2 frets up. Yeah, so there is no there is memorization that's going to be involved, unfortunately.